Hey guys, welcome to my video. In today's video, we are going to be checking out the Target closest to my house to see what slime and slime supplies they have. So we're going in Target and that's what we're gonna do. I know a lot of you guys don't have Target near you, especially those of you in Canada. I'm constantly getting comments saying, I don't have Target, we don't have Target. So I thought I'd go through the store and just show you what my Target had today. Now this section is called the dollar spot. Some things are over $1, but they're usually between $1 and $5, I think. This is kind of like a jiggly slime. I've purchased it before. Not my favorite type of slime, but it's fun. Vinci. So a lot of you guys see the Vinci on my Instagram account at Rainbowplaymaker. I believe this product is made by Play-Doh. I can see the Hasbro sign right there. It's kind of like an air dry clay in a way. When you add it to slime, you can check out over on my Instagram to see what happens. But a lot of you guys are loving those videos. So if you would like to see more Vinci videos on my Instagram, let me know down below. Clear gloss glue. This is the glue that I use for my clear gloss. You guys probably already know that. See how crystal clear it is? I usually purchase it on Amazon. I will link that below for you. It is $1 or $2 cheaper usually over there. Now this is kind of like the slimy section, kind of right next to where all the toys are. And they had some cool things. I've never seen this slimy glue squeeze witches, but those seem kind of cool. I've never tried those. Some Num Num slimes. I'm actually a huge fan of Num Num slimes. I've only tried the silly drinks. I haven't tried the push pops, but I am planning to do some push pops in some videos soon. Snackables pizza kit. Have any of you guys tried that? I love the way Num Nums smell. Do you guys like their scents? All right, so here's another section. It has some other kind of just slimes. More jiggly type slimes. And then we have the vault. No, I'm just kidding. This is kinetic sand. They've got Nickelodeon slime, 3-pound slime. Which one of these is your favorite? Have you tried any of these? Guava Toys, Big Bucket. They have so many slime products and they just keep coming out with more. This is kind of cool. Mint chocolate chip you can make, and everything seems to be food related as far as the scents go. Karina! Craft City Life. I haven't tried her squishies, but they look pretty cool. I've seen a few of her videos. And then down here we have this cool pack. I've actually tried this and done some videos on it. I really like the sandy type slime that's in there. I don't know if it's called a slime or if it's just more like a kinetic sand, but pretty cool. I was so surprised to see these balloons at Target. These look exactly like the ones that I bring to the slime conventions I go to. Joseph, I found unicorns. And these are more expensive than what I pay. I usually order them off of Amazon and I get 2, I think, for that same price. But all right, so I'm on the hunt for Elmer's new glow glues. They sent me 3 of the new colors, which I'm going to be doing in videos. But I wanted more because I want to do like a big version of the slime, and so I don't see them in stores yet, so I will keep my eye out on Amazon and also at Target to see if I can snatch some up. Now these glitter gels, or I don't even know what they're called, but I've used them in some of my videos. You guys love when I mix them into slime. Kind of deactivates the slime a little bit, but if you add a little activator to your hands and then touch the slime, it kind of comes together and holds its consistency. So I am a fan. These are kind of expensive though. I believe they're about $10 for one. So a little pricey for me, but these ones were a little cheaper. Oh no, actually they're not. They're $9.99 also. I think when I first started buying these for videos, I think they were $5 or $6, but some reason they increased the price. Maybe it's a supply and demand thing. I don't know. But these are hollow glitter jellies or gels. It's time to shine. So these are like body glitters or hair. This one's hair glitter. I don't know how this washes out. I don't know if it's biodegradable. It just seems strange to me that you can put that on your hair and then just kind of wash it down the drain in the shower. I don't know. Have you guys tried these? All right, moving on. So these are some containers that I like to reuse, this size specifically, especially when I'm trying out a new slime and I want to just kind of mess around with scents and colors and textures. I find that they're super easy to stack and store. Now, one of my favorite sections in the store is, of course, the foaming hand soap section, and I love to use Method products in all of my slimes. If you go way back on my YouTube channel over a year ago, I've been doing this for so long. I remember when I first started using foam soap in clear slime, everyone bashed me. They were always telling me how the slimes would not turn out clear, and now pretty much everyone uses foam soap in their clear slime, so you're welcome. No, I'm just kidding. All right, we're checking out. So that's pretty much my shopping trip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos like this, me shopping at Target or different stores, let me know in the comments below. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.
Target, 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 Target.